Welcome. Let's talk about Ansible and Google Cloud. Ansible is like your magic wand for automation, making tedious tasks vanish. GCP, on the other hand, is your giant sandbox to deploy, scale, and manage applications. Combine them, and you've got a powerhouse duo that simplifies cloud configurations. Today, we'll walk through setting up Ansible with GCP so that automation becomes second nature to you. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Now let's get started with Google Cloud SDK. Think of it as your control panel for GCP. Without it, you're pretty much flying blind. First, we install it, then authenticate to make sure we're the rightful owners, and finally, verify our setup. It's a bit like getting your passport stamped before an international trip. Without it, you're not going anywhere. Ansible needs a key to enter GCP's house, and that's where service accounts come in. These accounts have specific permissions, kind of like VIP passes that let Ansible do its job without knocking on your door every time. We'll create an account, configure its access, and ensure it's set up properly for automation. Okay, time for credentials. This JSON file is like your secret recipe. It grants Ansible access to your cloud setup while keeping things secure. We'll generate it from our service account, keep it safely tucked away, and use it within Ansible Playbooks. Its security meets automation in the best possible way. Let's dive into Ansible Playbooks for GCP. First, we use YAML syntax. It's simple and readable. Then, we leverage GCP-specific modules to interact smoothly with cloud resources. Keeping playbooks organized makes troubleshooting a breeze. And of course, testing before deployment saves us from the classic "oops, that wasn't supposed to happen" moment. Deploying compute instances with Ansible is like ordering pizza, except less delicious. We start with inventory files to define resources, specify instance details, and automate deployment with playbooks. And just like double-checking your pizza toppings, validating deployment ensures everything is as expected. Firewalls keep our systems safe. Think of them as bouncers at a club. We define security policies upfront, use Ansible modules to manage rules, and automate changes so we're not stuck manually updating every little setting. And just like a good club owner, we monitor configurations to ensure the right people have access. Automation makes life easier. Why do things manually when Ansible can do them for us? We use roles for structured workflows, manage configs smartly, and ensure idempotency so no duplicate setups occur. Best of all, we apply configurations across instances effortlessly. What good is automation if we don't know what's happening? Integrating monitoring tools helps keep an eye on resources, while automated logging ensures we capture key data. Analyzing performance lets us identify inefficiencies, and alerts mean we react before disaster strikes. Troubleshooting is basically detective work. We start by identifying common pitfalls, debug playbooks like pros, and use logs to uncover hidden clues. Once we apply fixes, we validate the results, because fixing one issue just to create another is never the goal. We've covered a lot, but the key takeaway is: structure your playbooks, automate smartly, monitor consistently, and never stop learning. Ansible is powerful, but like any tool, it's only as good as how we use it. Now go forth and automate like a champion. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.